fabulous life of Facebook founder and CEO Mark Zuckerberg. Mark created a messaging program called ZuckNet when he was 12 years old. Then he built the music streaming platform while he was in high school. Turned down a job and acquisition offers from AOL and Microsoft. Entered Harvard in 2002 and developed a How or Not website of classmates. It was called FaceMash. Then, Mark created Facebook in his dorm room in 2004. He dropped out of Harvard after his sophomore year. He raised $12.7 million in funding in his early 20s. Mark Zuckerberg was also the subject of Oscar-winning film The Social Network in 2010. During this film, Mark said that many details are incorrect. Zuckerberg took Facebook public in 2012. It was the biggest IPO in tech history at the time. He then married Harvard girlfriend Priscilla Chan in a secret wedding. They plan to sell 99% of their Facebook stock to fund the Chan-Zuckerberg initiative. Mark notoriously wears jeans, hoodies, and t-shirts regularly and drives a black Volkswagen GTI that costs around only $30,000. He bought 750 acres of secluded land in Hawaii for $100 million. And then he spent over $45 million on his 5,000 square foot home in Palo Alto and all the land and buildings surrounding it. He then bought a $10 million mansion in San Francisco, California and spent $1 million more on renovations. Mark Zuckerberg gives himself a personal challenge every year. One year, he ran a total of 365 miles. That is the end of the video, everyone. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, click the bell, and like this video.